Salty, dirty, or contaminated water presents specific salvage problems. If allowed to dry on materials like metal, leather, ceramic, or paper, it can be very destructive. In these cases, rinsing objects exposed to salty or contaminated water may be the best option.
You would decide to rinse an object if you were sure that the object was stable enough to handle being rinsed. Some objects are more fragile than others. If they're metal objects or maybe wooden objects, if you have bins that you can set up to actually immerse the objects and progressively cleaner water, like 3 or 4 bins, and keep changing the water out. Your last bath, make sure the water in the bin is relatively clean. If you're considering rinsing off a paper object or maybe a photograph, and it's a single layer, just like one photograph, not a stack of photographs stuck together or in an album, you'll want to make sure you give that some support. You can put it on a piece of plexiglass and put it at an angle, and then use a hose and spray the front of that object and then turn it over into the reverse side. If you have books, don't open the book up when you go to rinse it. Make sure you hold that book closed really tightly, and you just want to rinse off the cover and just give that a good rinse. You don't want to deal with trying to open that book up and rinsing individual pages, because once again, they're paper, they're very vulnerable.